What's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a massive video. So today, guys, I'll be explaining and showing you guys just about how to trade the Deriv Index, which is the synthetic indices. My most favorite one will be the VIX 75. So without wasting much time, guys, as you know, the charts is my favorite place. Let's go into the charts. Welcome to the charts, guys. As you can see my analysis here, but what I'm gonna do, clear all the drawings on the chart so that we start from scratch. Okay, fine, guys. We have a very significant area here. I'd like to show you guys just the simple way of trading. Today I'll be just giving you guys the blueprint, to know the secret of just knowing how to trade everything. As you can see, you have been taught in the market that you need to know what is called an impulse and correction. So looking at this, it is what is currently happening here. I can see that we are already in a downtrend. Why? The first point that will show me my high will be this one, and then I'll look at another high, which is this one, and then this high failed to break this one, and then this one came to retest this one but still didn't break it. So we can see that we are pushing. It's like a steps. Let me show you. It's like it's going like this. It's like a steps going like this, like this. Okay, so as you know that when you are trading, you will have a downtrend, which is something that will be like this, and then you will have your move there, and then something like this. Yes, so what I can show you guys is what I've already explained here. It's what we'll be taking into the chart. So let's go into the final details and show you guys why I say everything joins together. Okay, fine. I can see that we are having a pattern looking in this manner. Okay, fine. And I'm gonna have, before I draw this inner trend, you must understand that my highest point is this one, and I'm on 4 hour, guys. Also, you can go to daily and draw it on daily. Okay, let's do this. Let's study it on daily so that you guys can be able to be aware. I'm just having issues with my platform here. Okay, my lowest point will be this one. I'll utilize this one because I'm gonna need it and see where the market is going. Okay, fine. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw this trend line, and as I can see that we are having this channel, then I'm gonna draw this one. Okay, So I can see we are in a downtrend here. Okay, then guys, I'll show you something that will solve all your problems. Do you know how to use the Fib? I want to show you something. You see here, it's my 100 point, then I'll use the Fib coming here. So we can all see that this area was the 50% rule of this big move. As the 50% of this came here and then push down, came back to retest, okay, which formed now a triple top. So this area is very significant. I'll use this. Okay, now then I take this and see where this was. So you can see it was between it was a 100% retracement of this leg, 100% retracement. Okay, so now let's jump deeper. Gonna go to 4 hour, and I'm on 4 hour, and I'm gonna look for those areas where I see that the market has potential of turning. You see, you can see here we bounced here, we pushed up, so it is a strong area. Okay, then another point would be around here. Okay, so draw another one here. Okay, then now I'm gonna go to my 1 hour. 1 hour. You must just take into account, guys, with Deriv, whenever you draw your chart patterns, they tend to get removed. Okay, so now I'm on 1 hour. I'm gonna use the same level. So now I'm gonna draw my zones. You can see here we had a zone here showing us the market. So at this point, the lines that you see are the support. So now I'm gonna use another zone. Okay, so now we can see we are in a downtrend, but what I'm expecting to see happen here, and that line come back now, please. Okay, come back on 1 hour so that we can work. This one. Okay, here's this one. Right, so we can see we have our channel here, which was a correction on higher time frame, but a trend in a small time frame. Yes, because that looks more like a fake out here. And with this, yes. Then sticking to this because there's more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll use this. Then you come here, and then yeah, voila. So currently, what I have something that showed us. Look, we have a correction here. Correction here, and then already here when we reach the zone, which is the supply zone, we dropped. Okay, so I want to show you guys why we dropped here. It's my Fib, the most powerful tool. 38.2, guys. 38.2 shows you that you are having a stronger trend. When the market comes corrects to that level, you must know that we are gonna continue to that point. So this is what happened here. We had an impulse, then correction. This is a correction impulse. So this whole thing is a correction, regardless of how it goes. But you must know that after an impulse, it's a correction, then followed by a impulse. So impulse, correction, impulse. So this is what happened there. Let me draw it. Impulse, correction, impulse. So we have something looking like this. Impulse, correction, impulse. So guys, make sure you understand what is really happening here. So even now we have impulse, correction, impulse. You understand? So I want to see how will the market reach this point, because I'm definitely looking at the market going further to the downside. So let's see, we can take this one, voila. So my 38, so I'm looking at having a sell position around here, then take it all the way down. So I'm gonna wait for the market to come here, before dropping. So I must have a channel like this. Okay, so I'm looking at dropping here. Okay, this is what I'm expecting, guys. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm glad I shared much more knowledge. And guys, please do not forget to catch me in the next video.